Hello guys, my name is Rihas. Today we are going to make Corona shooter game in Scratch. Maintain the various safeties you have to take is maintain distance when you go for a walk or out, and keep mask. Don't go in front of everyone like 1 meters, and don't give up the coronas to enter your body. Otherwise, dead. And keep vaccination. And if you get bored, watch my tutorials. Okay, so we can show the corona. This is the vaccine. This is the vaccine. Oh shit, oh shit. This coronavirus are not letting me to do. No. I killed. Okay, so I killed. So maintain distance from each other, and be in home only. Okay, so wear mask, carry sanitizer also. After going for sanitize the products that you brought, and sanitize the products that you carried while going out. And don'ts: do not meet people with the symptoms of a coronavirus. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let me make a new project. Oh, hmm. Yeah. Okay, so little this bright, it is bright to skin color. Make sure your sprite is nice. Yeah, yep, yes. Okay, so we will drag this here, and draw a line straight like that, and drag like this, and copy and paste it. The vertical, drag this like this something, and drag like this. Make a mask with the blue. Yeah, so wear that mask for your sprite. Okay, so let's use rainbow options. Yes, 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 like that. And the man who's shooting you should make the mask, because he's shooting the corona, not an enemy. So he must wear the mask. So let me draw lines in the mask between this and this. Okay, so let's paint the color eyes is here, and one here. Make a square. Need to show the coronas. To show the coronas, we will make it a gun. And okay. And now let's create the corona. Okay, so let's paint the sprite circle like this, like this, and keep it no outlines. Okay, so no outlines, and lines here, 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 here. And now we paint the sprite to red. Okay, we'll open red. Yeah, this. Here. Okay, so the red is completed, and sprite one should be bigger than us. Okay, so let me just select this sprite. Let me just drag and drop. And let me just set size to 17 with that. Um, yeah, 20. 20 is better. 20 is better. Yeah, accepted. Okay, so I kept outline 14, and now the shooter vaccine. I'll create the vaccine wizard, not by. So I have created the vaccine. So let's go to code. So we'll go to this right one. I'm running flag linked forever for ifs key up arrow pressed move 10 steps and if down key pressed move minus 10 steps and grab another if key right arrow pressed turn 5 5 degrees turn 5 degrees if key left arrow pressed turn 5 5 degrees here and now let's check. Okay, right, cool. Okay, so next step, the virus. Okay, so when green flag clicked, hide, repeat 3 times, wait 0.1 seconds, create a clone of myself and go when I start as a clone show show go to X pick random 2 2 to 240 2 to 240 to minus 240 to 150 forever move 2 steps point towards to the sprite one. Okay, now let's check. We'll keep it exposition. Yeah, this is 50, and let's check. Okay, perfect. Our coronavirus also works. And Sprite 13. Sprite 13 as virus vaccine. Then giving flag clicked. Hide hide forever. If key space pressed, create a clone of myself. Wait until not key space pressed. Okay. So when I start as a clown, show go go to sprite one to X and Y a point direction to the direction to sprite one to direction to sprite one. Repeat until touching edge, repeat until touching edge, move 10 steps, and delete this clone. Okay, so let's check. So let me go to the sprite to the virus. If touching sprite 3, 3, go to x 150, 150, pick random 240 to minus 240, 240 to minus 240, and grab this. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, cool. Um, um, anyways, that's it for this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos and notification bell. And thank you. And this is the safety for you as as for corona. Don't go outside as it's corona. So let me drag F, touching sprite to stubble. Stubble. He's killed. He killed. So let's check. If we touch the virus and done, we completed. We can uh yes. Oh yes. I forgot to grab this thing. Go to X and Y, point direction at the top of the green flag. Okay, so we can shoot the virus and the, and the virus can shoot us. And be very very careful from corona because it's corona, so you can't go outside, and maintain distance and keep your sanitizer when you're going out, and wear mask and shield, carry a sanitizer while you're going out, and maintain respiratory hygiene. Yeah, and maintain social distance to 1 meter distance, and they don't want to meet people who have the symptoms of coronavirus, or or, or yeah, or fever, or sneezed, anything. They got a symptoms like cough and etc. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos and notification bell. And thank you. Bye.